Here is my Doorcraft Chillout high velocity table fan. I have the black one, I'm sorry, not the black one. I have the white one like this as well, where the back part is gray and the front guard is white. This one is basically the same thing, again, gray and with blue. So here we go. Let's run it on both speeds, starting off with high, then low. The only downside to this is that because the way the knob is made on the front, the whole fan scoots all over the place. I don't need to make a video of the other one. It's the same one. You've seen it before. Moves the air quite well. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, subscribe, share, love, and like. Again, more fan videos to come soon. God bless you, and go on.